So let's begin the class. Children, please let me know if you have any problem or any doubt. Since your exams are approaching, they're very near.
No problem
Have
is
you
here.
started preparing for your exam?
Yes, ma'am.
This time all of you know you will be giving your exam in the school, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, and it is going to be a little
morning,
tough.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. It is going to be a little tough.
Ma'am, French paper will be only objective.
No, it will be a subjective one also. It will be a subjective paper as well. Now suppose I will be asking you to frame questions. Now I'll give you a statement and you'll have to frame questions on that. I'll give you numbers.
Question answers.
Yes? What, beta?
You give question answers also.
Yes, question answers like we have done on page number 48. Everybody open up page number 48. Opened? Each one of you has opened page number 48.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is written there? Qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est ce? Right? So what does qu'est-ce que...
Ma'am, in pink box.
No, on the top of the page. The questions
Okay,
are
ma'am.
given qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est ce? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have to frame questions. Now what do you mean by the question qu'est-ce que c'est? What is the meaning of qu'est-ce que c'est, children?
What is this?
What is it?
What is
Okay.
this?
Tell me. Okay, tell me in which case, in which all cases do we ask qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, when we are talking
Thing, bird or place, animal, sorry.
Very nice. When we are talking about any object, animals, birds, or fruits or vegetables, we ask qu'est-ce que c'est? And in what cases do we use qui est ce?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
when we are talking about a
when
human.
we are talking about any person.
Yes, very nice. Any person or anybody.
Any person.
Yes, when we talk about any person. Okay. So okay, children, now you have to frame question. My statement is, c'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. What am I speaking? C'est un stylo.
This,
Yes. C'est un stylo. What does it mean? Okay, first translate what I'm speaking. C'est un stylo.
C'est un stylo.
Translate it in English and tell me what I'm speaking.
this
This
is
is
pen.
a pen.
Very nice.
This is
a pen. Now, what is the question that you're going to frame for it?
Day.
If I say this is a pen, which means my answer is this is a pen. So what would the question be? Why will I answer this is a pen?
What is this?
Yes, because you would have asked me what is this? So I am replying this is a pen. So what will your question in French be? What will your question in French be? Very nice. Very good, Neha. Your question will be qu'est-ce que c'est? Now listen to another sentence. My next sentence is c'est un livre. C'est un livre.
Book.
Frame question.
What is this?
And okay, children, now see, I'm going to just speak a statement, and for that you have to immediately tell the question in French. Okay, don't take so much time in translating it because these are simple sentences now. Okay, next question. C'est une chaise. C'est une chaise.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very nice. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question. C'est un vélo. Now, children, listen. All of you in the class, present in the class, if you don't know any word that I'm speaking, please ask me. If you don't know the translation, please ask me. C'est un vélo. C'est un vélo.
This cycle.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very nice, Punita. Children, I'm asking you to frame
Thank you,
question.
ma'am.
Okay?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. My next statement is c'est une profession. C'est une profession.
Quatre et c'est.
Who is sorry? QSA.
Very good. Qui est
QSA.
ce? Qui est ce? What
Qui
do
est
we say? Very nice. We
QSA.
say qui est ce. Okay, listen to the next one very carefully.
QSA.
C'est un ami. C'est un ami.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is army? What is army? Punita,
Army is a friend.
army is a friend. So friend is what? Isn't a friend a human being?
Ma'am, friend.
Ma'am, it's friend.
TSA. TSA.
So will we use qu'est-ce que c'est for army?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It will be qui est ce.
Ma'am, we will use
Ma'am,
TSA.
it
Yes,
will
sir.
be
Okay. Even if I call out professions like she is a teacher, he is a doctor, they are mechanics, anything. So your question, even if I am taking name of any profession, even if I am taking name of any nationality, you have to use qui est ce in that case. Because nationality, like if I say, this is an Indian or he is an Indian, she is French. So what we are talking about some human being, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that case, you will use qui est ce. Now be very careful. The next one. Ce sont des garçons. Ce sont des
Mama,
garçons.
Essay. Qui essay?
Very nice. Qui est ce?
Friend.
Qui est ce? What is ce sont des garçons?
Ma'am, boys.
These are boys. If I say ce sont
These
des garçons, it means these are boys. Okay. C'est une fille. C'est une
Ma'am, please repeat your sentence.
C'est une fille. C'est une fille.
Ma'am,
Fille. What is fille? F-I-L-L-E. What is fille? F-I-L-L-E.
girl. Ma'am, it's girl.
Yes. What will your question be?
These are girls.
Kiss.
Ma'am,
Qui est ce? This is a girl. Very nice. Qui est This is a girl. Who is he? Oh, sorry. Who is she? Qui est ce? Then the next one is say daksh. Say daksh.
TSA.
TSA.
Yes. If I say this is daksh, then your question, who is it? Then the next question is, c'est une pêche. C'est une pêche. What is pêche?
Ma'am, don't know.
Ma'am, don't know.
Nobody knows in the class what is a pêche?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Come on page number 49 and look out what is a pêche.
Ma'am, it is a fruit
Yes,
Ma'am, it's a fruit peach. Ma'am, it's peach.
peach.
very good. So now, what will your question be? C'est une pêche.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
Yes.
What is
Say.
this? This is a peach. Okay. Next one is Ce sont des bananes. Ce sont des bananes.
Qui essaie?
Qui est ce?
Ma'am. Yes,
Who
sir.
is saying qui est ce? Banana is a human being. What is
Mama,
banana?
yes.
Banana.
Banana. Then for fruits and vegetables, what do we use? What do we use?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Don't get confused, children. This is where you're going to earn or lose marks in exams. Now come on page number 49 and 50. By seeing this, I can see that you have not started learning fruits and vegetables names also. What is a watermelon called? Tell me. Everybody type in the chat box. No, listen. You will type in the chat box. Let's play a quiz kind of a game and let's see who comes first. And you have to type it to me directly. Don't send the answer to everyone. What is a watermelon? Very good, Neha Gangwar. Kunjal, Jasmine, Utkarsh, Punita, Ridhik, and Daksh. I want answer from all of you. Very good. Children, you are going to get this in exams. Translate these fruits in French. Tell the fruits and vegetable name in French. You're getting only these two chapters and everything will be covered from these two chapters. So please don't ignore anything. I want all of you to score very good marks. You have been working so hard since the beginning. Only you are the ones who attend these online classes from your class, right? So start learning.
Mama, I have sent answer.
Very good, Smita. Very nice. What is a
Thank you.
watermelon called? Watermelon is called pastek. Only Neha, Ridhik, and Punita have answered. What about Jasmine, Utkarsh, and Daksh? Daksh, are you not present in the class? Utkarsh, Jasmine, what about you? Ridhik. Okay, Ridhik has answered.
I'm typing.
Hurry up, beta. Type. And please open your cameras, all of you. What makes you put your cameras off? Then, what are grapes called? Okay, Neha, no problem. If you will not be able to open your camera, you always open your camera. It's okay. It must be a genuine problem. What are grapes called in French? Very nice. Very quick, Neha Gangwar. Very quick, Ridhik, Utkarsh. Very nice, Punita. What is a strawberry called? Strawberry. Jasmine, beta, you're not supposed to send your answer to everyone. Very nice, Utkarsh. Very quick. Very good, Punita. Strawberry is called what? Strawberry is called fraise. Une fraise. What about others? Now, this time others didn't answer. Okay, next question that comes your way is, what is a mango called? Mango. Une dash. Mango is called une dash. What is that? Very good, Neha, Ridhik, Punita, Utkarsh. Une mong. Mango is called a mong. What are mushrooms called? What is a mushroom called in French? Mushroom is called. Very good, Neha. Very good, Utkarsh. Very good, Ridhik. What about you, Punita, Utkarsh, Daksh? No, Utkarsh has sent. Punita, Daksh. Mushroom is called champignon. Champignon. Very nice.
Typing
Yes.
times. Lots of time. I am typing and it's lot of time.
Okay. The next question is, what is a papaya called in French? Papaya. Very nice, Utkarsh. Very nice, Jasmine. Very good, Ridik.
Ma'am, please
Punita.
repeat the word.
What is a papaya called? Papaya. Un papai. Papaya is called papai. Next, what is green chili called? What is a chili called in French? Very nice. Chili is called a piment. A piment. Now, children, I'm going to dictate you a sentence. You have to write the sentence as it is in the chat box. Let me see how many of you understand the this thing, pronunciation. Ce sont des haricots verts. Ce sont des haricots verts. Ce sont des haricots verts.
Ma'am, what?
Ce sont des haricots verts. What is vert? Ce sont des haricots. Looks like no one has understood. It is a vegetable. Okay, let me give you a hint. It is a vegetable. Now, which vegetable I'm talking about? Find
I
out
have given
from.
the answer in chat box.
Very nice. Very good, Utkarsh. Ce
Ma'am, can you
sont.
tell again?
Okay, one more time. Ce sont des haricots verts. Ce sont des haricots verts. Utkarsh, beta, only one mistake that you made is you have written the haricot, but I said des haricots, D-E-S. It should be ce sont
ma'am.
des haricots verts. And okay, this is correct. Sir Sneha Gangwar, beta, it's wrong. The first two words are ce sont. Ce sont. What is ce sont? Ce sont des haricots verts. The later half of the sentence is correct, but the first half is incorrect. Neha, hurry up and rectify your mistake. I want you to pick out your mistake. Ce sont des haricots verts. Now, next sentence that I'm going to dictate, I will speak it out only 3 times, not more than 3 times. For those who could not figure out what I'm
Ma'am,
speaking,
we have to translate in English.
no, you have to write it as it is, like it's a dictation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For those who could not understand, I'm typing it. Ce sont des haricots verts. Everybody look up in the chat box. Ce sont des haricots verts. What are these? These are green beans. What am I talking about? I'm talking about green beans. These are green beans. Okay. The next sentence, everybody be very careful. C'est une aubergine. C'est une aubergine. C'est une aubergine. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? C'est une aubergine. No one has typed till now. Very nice, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence. I was disconnected.
Okay, the sentence is c'est une aubergine. C'est une aubergine. Utkarsh, beta, the first word of your sentence, do you think it justifies our sentence? I'm saying c'est une, c'est une, c'est une. But you have written se une. It's not correct. What is c'est une? C'est une. Very nice. Now, Neha Gangwar, what you have written? C'est aubergine. Where is the word une from in between? C'est une aubergine. Very good. Neha Gangwar has typed it correctly. What about Punita, Ridik, Daksh, Jasmine? What about you all? You want me to type it in the chat box, children? Very nice, Punita. Very good. But Neha Gangwar, may I please know why have you typed it to everyone? Children, you can see Punita and Neha's sentence. It is correct. C'est une aubergine.
Ma'am, in first, when I was disconnected, I thought that it's to you only, but it was to everyone.
Okay, okay. The next sentence is c'est une pomme de terre. C'est une pomme de terre.
Can please repeat the sentence?
The sentence is c'est une pomme de terre. Very nice, Neha Gangwar. Very good, Punita, Utkarsh. Your sentence is absolutely correct. What is pomme de terre? Children, what is pomme de terre?
Potato.
Potato. Very good.
Potato.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ready for the next sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next sentence is ce sont des poivrons. Ce sont des poivrons. Ce sont des poivrons, not the poivrons. What is they? When I say they, what do I mean? Yes, Neha Gangwar, absolutely correct. Ce sont des poivrons. What does this sentence mean? What is the meaning of this
Ma'am,
sentence?
capsicum.
Ma'am, it's capsicum.
The whole sentence means only capsicum?
No, ma'am.
Then what is the sentence?
These are capsicum.
Yes, very nice.
These are capsicum.
These are capsicums. Very good. Then the next sentence is c'est un petit pois. C'est un petit pois.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
C'est un petit pois. C'est un petit pois. Very nice, Neha Gangwar. Very good, Utkarsh. Children, what is a petit pois? Only Neha, Utkarsh have sent me the translation. Sorry, have written in the chat box. C'est un petit pois. What about others? Punita, Daksh, what is petit pois? Ridik, c'est un petit pois. Small peas. What is it? This is
Ma'am,
a
small peas.
Yes, peas.
Ma'am, peas.
Very nice. Now, children, I'm changing the question. Let's come on to some next level. Your question is, you have to tell the French number name for number 35. Hurry up and tell. Everybody, please close your books.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, which number?
35. Number 35.
Okay, ma'am. Number 35. We have to number name in chat box.
You have to, yes, tell the French number name in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Neha Gangwar. Very good, Utkarsh. Very good, Mridik.
Ma'am, I have given the number name of 35 in French. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have given the number name
Beta,
of
35. Now you don't have to write it in the numeric form. You have to tell how it is written in French.
Okay, ma'am.
What do we
Ma'am, I
call
can
number 35 in French?
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, next. What is number 54? What is number 54 in French?
Ma'am, number
54. Okay, number 54 is second quatre. Now children, please all of you check your spellings of cinquante. The next number is, what is number 78 called in French? Number 78.
Ma'am, 78.
Yes, beta, 78. No, 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 no. Number 78 is not 17 Punita. Soixante dix-huit. The number is, what is 8 in French? Huit. It's soixante dix-huit. Is it fine?
Ma'am,
What
actually,
is
by
number?
mistake,
Okay, beta. What is number 88? What is number 88? Quatre-vingt-huit. Very nice. Number 88 is quatre-vingt-huit. Very good. Then let me come. What is number 92? Number 92 is quatre vingt douze. Only 2 children have answered. What about the rest? Jasmine beta, number 92. 13 comes for number 13. 13 is what? Number 13. But I'm talking about 92. 92, the calculation goes 80 plus 12. So, quatre vingt douze. Okay, the last number of the day is, what is number 99? What is number 99?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What is number 99? 99. So the calculation comes 80 plus 19. What is 80? First write 80 and then write 19. Quatre vingt dix neuf. Very good, Utkarsh. Very nice. Children, the next minute I'm going to end the class. Those who have not answered, please send your answers. And don't forget to put hyphen in between. Please check in the book that between all the words there is hyphen placed. It is very important. Okay? Bye to all of you.